Welcome to AI Photo Restore, your go-to solution for transforming photos with our cutting-edge AI-powered restoration and creative styling tools. Our platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to breathe new life into your old or damaged images effortlessly. Getting started is simple. On the main dashboard, you'll find two primary modes, Restore and Style. The Restore mode is perfect for fixing damaged photos. To begin, simply upload an image from your computer. Click the Choose File button and select the photo you want to work with. Our platform supports various formats, including JPG, PNG, GIF, and WebP, with a maximum file size of 20 megabytes. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a preview of the original photo. Now click the Restore Photo button and watch as our AI gets to work, enhancing and repairing your image in real time. The restoration process is quick and efficient. In just a few moments, you'll see a side-by-side comparison of the original and the restored image. Notice the incredible detail enhancement and colorization. You can zoom in and out to inspect the changes closely and use the split view to compare the before and after. If you're happy with the result, you can download the restored image directly to your device. Simply click the Download Image button and your enhanced photo will be saved. You can also choose to process another image and continue exploring our features. Now, let's explore the Style mode. After uploading your photo, select the Style option to access our extensive library of artistic presets. From cartoon and Pixar 3D to anime and impressionist, there's a style for every creative vision. Let's try the Pixar 3D style. Select the preset, and then click Apply Style. Our AI will transform your photo into a Pixar-style 3D animated look. The process is just as fast, and you'll soon see the stunning result. The results are always impressive, and you can download your newly styled image with just one click. Whether you want to restore cherished memories or get creative with your photos, AI Photo Restore has you covered. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy using AI Photo Restore to bring your photos to life. Sign up today and start exploring the endless possibilities of AI-powered image transformation.